All right, guys. So this is the feed trader once again, and this is the before and after trade. I'm spotting an opportunity on good. All right, and you can see that I've marked an imbalance right here. That's the 15 minutes fair value gap, and all we're anticipating for price to do is for price to come in and mitigate and make a turn, right? All right. So when you go to the lower time frame, all right, you can see that price has not yet mitigated. What price has done is that price has rather made an attempt to make an accumulation right here. Okay, so that's an accumulation right here. Okay, so what we are waiting for is price to make a manipulation into, let's give it a red color, into this imbalance right here. So let me give you the map. So basically price makes a CISD, then we are good to take price to the sell side liquidity. All right, so you can see price is still moving. So as you see, we've marked this as our accumulation. Okay, so price accumulate orders. Okay, price accumulate orders. Let's make it smaller. Price accumulate orders. Now the next move is for price to manipulate. Okay, yes, the next move is for price to manipulate at this level. It's manipulation. That's to take up this sell side liquidity, sorry, this buy side liquidity. Okay, you can see that there are liquidities lying up this area of level of price. So let's give it a dollar sign. Okay, so there are the liquidities resting above this highs. Okay, so price has not yet mitigated. So let's push this over here so that we know that we want price to tap into this zone, to the manipulation. Then we are looking for a sell side sell side liquidity. All right, so price is still moving. We are still looking at the expansion towards the manipulation. You can see price is moving. Yes, you can see price moving quite well. Yes. So this one, I'm giving you a live trade. Okay, this is a live entry. Now what do we see? We see price mitigating the manipulation, creating a manipulation, taking out these liquidity highs as we predicted in just these few minutes. So price has taken out this buy side liquidity. Right now, what are we waiting for? After manipulation, we are looking out for distribution. Okay, distribution. All right, so yeah, I'm looking out for a distribution. Powerful. Now price has manipulated, so what are we looking for next? We are looking for a reversal, right? Powerful. Now look at how price will reprice itself down to the sell side liquidity. Yes, let's look at how price will do that. You can see the momentum right here. Yes, so the only way we can enter is when price is able to break below this level. All right, break below this level, creating a change in state of delivery. Sorry, creating so I'll call it CISD, right? CISD. Okay, all right, so this live entry. Okay, so this is CISD. Okay, so we are waiting for price to break the CISD at this level. Okay, you can see right here. Let me just zoom in a bit. All right, so we are waiting for price to break. So price will do something like that, retest, then we are going in for a cool 1:2 risk to reward, or 1:3. One of them still sells, still works. All right, so we are still on a move. All right, Still on the move. All right. So manipulation is still not done. Still on the move for manipulation. So at times what manipulation can do is the price can move towards the what? The 15 minutes. The consequent encroachment, right? That's the 50% of the fair value gap. So 50% of this range, right? So you can see that this middle session is the consequent encroachment. Okay, so that's the middle session right here. Middle session right there. That's the consequent encroachment. Okay, of the 15-minute fair value gap. So price. So since manipulation is still not done, we are still, as I said, that's why we are waiting for the price to reprice down to. So at times price does the 50% wicks, comes breaks the CISD, then we are good to go, right? That's why patience, when it comes to trading, patience is very, very important. So you have to be very, very patient for your setup to play out. Don't be in a hurry to sell because you are in a hurry. You know that price will have to make a turn. So you are in a hurry to sell. Okay, so let's just leave the market to do its thing. As I said, we are waiting for still waiting for the manipulation leg, right? So you can see the momentum, but still we are not still convinced because price has not made a change in state of delivery. Okay, that's to give us all right, to give us the go ahead for the sell side. All right, so you're still in a move. Still on a move. It's quite amazing. Price likes to take liquidity. Okay, so if you are not a patient trader and you are willing, probably you are in a hurry to sell at this point, probably price gets to this level right here and you want to short from there, you are going to be liquidated because of the equal highs over here. Yeah, these relative equal highs, because those are good targets for liquidity pools. Okay, very, very good targets for liquidity pools. All right, yes, very, very good target for liquidity pools. All right, so guys, are still on the move. You can see the sell side move. As I said, we are still not convinced until price makes our CISD. All right, don't forget that our change in state. If you're a new trader, you may not know what change in state of delivery is, but basically price making it a 10. Okay, price making a 10. So let me just give it to you right here. Change in state of delivery. All right, change in state of delivery. So yeah, we are waiting. Patience is key, innit? Patience is key. Patience is key. Patience is key. All right, that's good. So yeah, still in. Yeah, London session has ended. Okay, yes, London session has ended, and we are looking at the continuation, and after the London reversal. Okay, so London has made a reversal. First of all, it repriced to the buy side. Okay, now it's making a retracement, right? So we are trying to catch the retracement to mitigate this level right here. There's a level, yeah, psychological level at this level right here. See these levels? Yes, these levels right here. We are pushing price there. Yes, then we will look for our next opportunity. If you have to continue low, then we look for another opportunity. If we have to continue higher, if you have to continue higher to the buy side, then we also know what to do. So we are basically following where the price is moving, where price is moving. No, we are following the trend, right? There's a saying that the trend is your friend. Yes, the trend is your friend. So we are just following where the price is moving. Yes, and with and the order flow, right? And with proper analysis, then we'll trade what the candle is delivering to us. All right. So we are still on the move, still anticipating the sell side. See, price is doing its thing right there. Yes, price is doing its thing right there. Yes, price is doing its thing right there. All right. So, brothers and sisters, you can see the momentum right here. So we are waiting for a candle close. Yes, price just wicked. We are not entering. As I said, we want a candle closure below. Yes, candle closure below and a retest if possible. So when price closes below and is closer to price in a certain sense, just below the CISD, we can take down an entry, or we'll just wait for price to come down. At times, because of the momentum, price may not come back to mitigate. Okay, sorry, it's not time yet. Price may not come back to mitigate to the downside. So at times, because of the momentum, price will just move straight. Okay, price will just move straight to this level. Okay, but at times most at times price will have to reprice. Okay, make a retest, then it dumps. Yeah, but I at times, according to the momentum of the market, will enter straight. Yes, I'll enter straight without any what's the word? Without any retracement. Okay, I may not wait for a retracement. Okay, like that, but no, I will not do that at times. But at times I'll wait. Okay, why am I saying that at times I'll wait? Because looking at the market dynamics and the move and the momentum, I'll know if a price will want to come back and and make a retest before going to the intended direction. Okay, but at the moment, or probably considering how price will move, the momentum will give me the signal that no, price, the momentum at which price is moving, price is not willing to make a retest. So times when price breaks below the CISD, then boom, then we are down. Just enter 1:2, 1:3, we are out. You get the idea, right? Yeah. So now you can see something amazing happening right here, right? You can see price making a 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, and price coming in to make a retest. Okay, but as I said, 1 minute, because we are trading a 1 minute time frame, you have to be extra cautious. Okay, extra cautious. Yes, that's why we are following our strict rule, the CISD. But if you want to go and you want to go ahead and be aggressive, so you can see price is making it's making some kind of rejections at this level. Look at the next candle, it's trying to break. So the reason why we don't trade that, right? Because it's CISD is not yet cooked. Yeah, CISD is not yet cooked for us to enter. Okay, CISD is the best. I will say is one of the best entry models. Yeah, because after accumulation or after consolidation, price takes out liquidity, then price makes a turn to the other side, targeting the other side of the liquidity. Okay, I'll be making an extensive video talking about liquidities. Okay, yeah, I'll talk about kill zones. Yes, and I'll talk about session highs and lows. I'll talk about previous days highs and lows, 4 hour highs and lows, 1 hour highs and lows. Those are liquidity points. I saying something. Yes, yes. Times the algorithm does that just before liquidity pools. I saying something. Yeah, it's called the interbank price delivery algorithm, and I'll be talking about that very soon on this channel. Very soon, so that you know how A.M.D makes moves towards liquidity. Okay, so that we can actually spot on and ride on that opportunity to get some nice trades for yourself. Okay, all right, so you're still waiting. Patience is very good, so let's still be patient. Yeah, patience is very good. Don't be in a rush, okay, people. For example, I don't mind if price, so if price breaks above this level like that, it means this setup is not valid anymore. I'm out. You get it. Good. Yes, it means this setup is not valid again. Are you following? Yes. But if price makes our intended CISD, then we will enter. Right? It's that simple. Yes, there's a live entry. This today is okay. Today is 10th of August. Yes, this this after the London session. Yes, it's after the London session. Yes, it's after the London session. So you can see what price is doing. Yes, see what price is doing right here. Yeah. Yeah. I woke up early, hands to the sky. Pray for my edge and a clear-eyed mind. No panic moves, I let peace lead. Feet on the floor, but I still believe. Charts in the morning, truth in my chest. I don't chase fear when I'm under stress. I read the signs, then I wait right there. If he says hold, then I hold with care. Slow down, hear that still small voice. Slow down, make the wiser choice. Yeah. Fake trader. I move with grace. Fake trader. Kept by his face. Fake trader. When I learn, I stay. Yeah, my morning scan, I pray first. Chart lines, but the word first. No rush trade, I wait firm. He got steps, I stay firm. Green candles, red candles, either way he handles. Wrist small, heart steady. When he say move, I'm ready. I don't chase, I don't fear. If it's him, then it's clear. Open hand, closed down. Faith in the plan out loud. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader. He make the path get safer, yeah. Late fill, I missed it. Still praise, I don't miss him. Draw down, I kneel low. Peace come when I let go. My crew ask how I stay calm. Scripture on my tongue, that's my balm. Every loss teach patience. Alright guys, so okay, so you can see the momentum, right? See how price just broke through. Now let's wait for a candle close, right? And a retest. Okay. So from this candle alone, you can see that the sellers are willing to, they are just waiting just to move price to the sell side, right? You can see that there's quite a good load of momentum right here. So let's look for a candle closure or a retest, as I said. Okay, yes, so this is another retest or price closes below this level right here. I seen it. This level. See, price is moving back. Patience is key, right? Now you can see another fair value gap over here. Price taps into it. Let's see. All right, let's see. I'm still waiting for our setup to form. Quite interesting, right? All right, so we are still in a move. See what price did over here. There's something powerful about imbalances. Okay, anytime price taps into an imbalance, there's always a reaction. See, there's always a reaction. You can see immediately price did that. See, price is now coming straight. Okay, so as we are seeing, we are just waiting for price to close below. See this level, price is really giving some rejection around this level. Okay. Wow. So at this juncture, you can see you can put some sell what's the name, some sell limit orders right here. Okay, our stop loss just above this high. Okay, so then we are good to go. Probably yeah, let's aim one is to yeah. So you can see the momentum, right? It's quite crazy. You see, it's quite crazy. Yeah, you can do. Well, let's look at first TP. Probably 1:2. Let's do 1:2. Yeah. So this is what I was talking about. Okay, the retest. Okay. At times, price, according to the momentum, price may not come back. If it becomes a mystery, it does not. It's not a problem. You wait for another opportunity. That's where your discipline comes in, right? Discipline is so important when it comes to trading. Okay. Yeah. If you want to also go aggressive, you can also go aggressive. If you are doing some scalps, you can do some aggressive moves as well. So yeah, so you can see it over here. Okay, nice one, nice delivery, nice delivery. Yes, nice delivery. That's a very nice delivery right there. Yes, that's a nice delivery. So if you want to go, if your risk appetite is high, you can do 1:3. Yes, but I want 1:2. Okay. Greed at times doesn't help. Yes, greed at times doesn't help. So just be content and flow. Okay. Yes, 1:2, 1:2.5. Yes. Now you are seeing something, right? Yes, you are seeing something amazing. So we started calling out this trade from the tick of it, from this level at the 1 minute level. Okay, so you see price wants to come back to make a retest. Okay, so I mentioned something about patience, right? Yes, patience. You have to always be patient and allow price to do its thing. Okay, yes, see price will enter and make a retest. Nice one. So if you miss this opportunity, okay, now you see price has entered in once again. Nice one. You see price is making a 10. So you miss this opportunity, then can make another. So just wait for price to return to this level. See price came to exactly the level we spoke about. Then you see the momentum right down, right? You can see it over here. Now this is a live trade. Okay, this is a live trade. If you want to learn to trade like this, you can check out my Telegram group, and it's for free. You can join, can trade together. If you want to learn as well, you can also contact me. You can talk about it. Yes. The learning curve is a curve that you can't escape. Yes, I always get amazed at people who always want just signals. Okay, signals is not the right way to go. Although you can be in a signal group for just some time, just to learn. Okay, and after some time, I don't think you should be on a group. Okay, try to call out trade for yourself. You see, I'm trying to call out a trade, and from the very beginning, I've been telling you where price moves from where to where, and it's a skill that it takes time to develop. Are you saying something? Yes, this skill, no one can take it away from me. Okay, it's gonna be with me, and yeah, because I took my time to go through the learning curve. Yes, really ready to learn, correct my mistakes and all that. And it's quite amazing. It's an amazing journey. Okay, so remember our TP, we are looking at price. Yes, moving to 4337, right? So price came, we tapped in, we entered. Okay, now we are taking the sell side. All right, so it's quite amazing. So this is a classic ICT entry. Okay, so we can see that price makes an accumulation, manipulation, then distribution, right? Yes. So you can see that this accumulation, price doesn't just when it's quite amazing, but you should understand something about price. Okay, price always will seek for liquidity before making the main expansion. Yes, price will always look for liquidity before making the main expansion. You get it? Yeah. Yes. So it's amazing. Yeah. So you have to really master liquidity. Yes, where liquidity is, how to spot liquidity, how to, you get it? Yeah. So we are still on a move. Yeah. Price has already entered into the 50%. So here you can take some partials to break even, then to be a break even trade. I seen it. Then you let the rest to run. Okay. Yeah. So let's look at what price does. So right now we are doing what's the name? A risk-free trade. This is an example of a trade that has no risk, because we've taken 50% and we are allowing the rest to run. Okay. Yeah. But there are others too who prefer everything to just go through. I seen it. They prefer everything to just go through. Yes, everything to just go through. You get it? Before then they will close the trade. You see. So they don't. So I know traders who don't take partials. So they follow their what's the name? the movement to the end, so TP is smashed. He's saying something, yeah. But we have decided to just break even at this level. So it may be difficult for price to come back and take it out, because already we are trading with a certain buyers in mind. Remember, I told you from the beginning that price wants to get to this level, right? Yes, this level, right? You are seeing right here, this level. Yeah. All right, so let's leave the trade and let's allow the market to do its things. So we'll be back to check where price is, and so see you soon.
Yeah. Morning scan, I pray first. Chart lines, but the word first. No rush trade, I wait firm. He got steps, I stay firm. Green candles, red candles, either way he handles. Wrist small, heart steady. When he say move, I'm ready. I don't chase, I don't fear. If it's him, then it's clear. Open hand, closed out. Faith in the plan out loud. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, fake trader. He make the path get safer, yeah. Late fill, I missed it. Still praise, I don't miss him. Draw down, I kneel low. Peace come when I let go. My crew ask how I stay calm. Scripture on my tongue, that's my balm. Every loss teach patience. Every win say grace wins. No flex, just testimony. He the one that's been with me. I don't fear. If it's him, then it's clear. Open hand, closed out. Faith in the plan out loud. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, fake trader. He make the path get safer, yeah. Fake trader, he make the path get safer, yeah. If the market shake, I don't fold. If the night get cold, he hold. When my plans break down, he still got me now. He still got me now. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, fake trader. He made the path get safer, yeah. Fake trader. He made the path get safer, yeah. He make the path get safer. Yeah. Morning scan, I pray first. Chart lines, but the word first. No rush trade, I wait firm. He got steps, I stay firm. Green candles, red candles, either way he handles. Wrist small, heart steady. When he say move, I'm ready. I don't chase, I don't fear. If it's him, then it's clear. Open hand, closed out. Faith in the plan out loud. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, fake trader. He make the path get safer, yeah. Fake trader, he make the path get safer. Late fill, I missed it. Still praise, I don't miss him. Draw down, I kneel low. Peace come when I let go. My crew ask how I stay calm. Scripture on my tongue, that's my balm. Every loss teach patience. Every win say grace wins. No flex, just testimony. He the one that's been with me. I don't fear. If it's him, then it's clear. Open hand, closed out. Faith in the plan out loud. Fake trader, I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, He make the path get safer. Yeah. Morning scan, I pray first. Chart lines, but the word first. No rush trade, I wait firm. He got steps, I stay firm. Green candles, red candles, either way he handles. Wrist small, heart steady. When he say move, I'm ready. I don't chase, I don't fear. If it's him, then it's clear. Open hand, closed out. Faith in the plan out loud. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, fake trader. He make the path get safer, yeah. Late fill, I missed it. Still praise, I don't miss him. Draw down, I kneel low. Peace come when I let go. My crew ask how I stay calm. Scripture on my tongue, that's my balm. Every loss teach patience. Every win say grace wins. No flex, just testimony. He the one that's been with me. I don't fear. If it's him, then it's clear. Open hand, closed down. Faith in the plan out loud. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, fake trader. He make the path get safer, yeah. Fake trader, he made the path get safer, yeah. If the market shake, I don't fold. If the night get cold, he hold. When my plans break down, he still got me now. He still got me now. Fake trader, fake trader. I move by faith, not favor. Fake trader, fake trader. He made the path get safer, yeah. Fake trader. He made the path get safer, yeah. He make the path get safer.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys. So as we predicted before, so you can see way from the beginning, right here from the accumulation. I've shown you how price made the delivery down to the sell side every particular second, how the manipulation was made to the to entries and everything. You can see that this is a full delivery of price. Yeah, and we caught it from the beginning of the distribution to the end of the distribution we are looking at. You see, so this is the Fate Trader. So remember, this is a live trade. We got this trade from a post-landing kill zone distribution on the 10th of August. Sorry, August, not not October. All right. So that's the changes. So this is a 10th of August entry. Okay. And if you want to learn too, you can contact me as well, and we are good to go. All right. So so this is the Fate Trader once again. Peace out.
If he says hold, then I hold with care.